If you want to wear this beautiful bracelet and tell everyone you are, as from today on, a goddess of flowers and sun, just keep watching and learn how to bead it. I really wanted to celebrate autumn with this bracelet, and I think it's really pretty. The bracelet is structured on a base, a herringbone base, with 1, 2, 3 rows, stacks, not rows. And the turn, this is a flat herringbone, and the turn is done with a 1 seed bead. And then the middle row is embellished with these, let's call them branches or leaves. And because of the way herringbone is made, these leaves flow or drop naturally in different or opposite direction, and this was such a surprise. I wasn't expecting this when I actually set up to make this design. Very nice surprise. So let's start our flat herringbone based on 3 herringbone sets. So for this we pick up 4 seed beads, we drop them, go back and up. If you need more in-depth instructions on how to make the flat herringbone, there is a tutorial, and I will make a link for you, where we discuss only how to make a flat herringbone. Pick up 2, go through these ones, go up, pick up 2, let's have a look quickly. So in this moment we have 1 herringbone set, the second herringbone set, and let's do the 3rd herringbone set as well. The first half of it. And now the final part of the 3rd herringbone set. And here we have 2, 4, 6. At this point, I go through the stacks of 2 up to the middle one, and on the same side where I have the tail I will add on this middle set 1, 2, let's say 3 and 4 seed beads, and with the closed ring. So this way I set up the clasp as well, and I don't need to do it after that. Okay, we reinforce. You can go through this set 3 or 4 times to make sure that it's sturdy. And now we move our thread to come out through the last bead in the same direction with the tail. And now we pick up our bead for turning the work, and this is how we do it. And now we continue with our herringbone. So pick up 2, go down 1, up the next one, pick up 2, down 1, up the next one, and for the third, pick up 2, go down 1, and now we make the turn with 1 seed bead on the side and go back up through the top bead on the side. And this is how we create the length of the bracelet. Let's make one more row together. Pick up 2, 1 down, 1 up, pick up 2, 1 down, 1 up, pick up 2, 1 down, here we are at the edge, turn the work, pick up 1 and go up through the last one, on the stack. So we continue like this for the entire length we need. If you are going to use a lobster clasp as I did, that lobster clasp covers kind of 1 inch, 1 inch and a bit, maybe in centimeters around 3 centimeters. So make sure you take into account the wrist circumference minus 1 inch and a bit up to 3 centimeters. When you have finished with that, we can start the embellishment. Obviously, when you are at the other side of the bracelet, you can add the closed ring as the first part of the clasp, the same way we've done here. So let's say that this is the length that you need. You just go back, and we have to start back up again, or you add another thread. We have to start to position our thread at the end, at the start of the middle row, where we have the first half of our clasp. Now I'll show you how we embellish for the middle row of our bracelet. So as I was saying, we start from the first clasp. We position our thread on the middle row, maybe 2 beads up. And now we make our first leaf or branch. And for this we pick up 3 seed beads. Let's say that is in this color, in black. 1, 2, 3. Then one seed bead in the second color. This would be the seed bead where the leaf will close. We pick up 3 seed beads in the second color. This will be this area of the leaf. Then we pick up 2 seed beads in B color, and here we skip 1 and go back through the second one. Here we make the tip of the leaf. Now we pick up 3 for the second side of our round leaf, and we go back through the first second color that we have added here. With this we have finished the shape of our leaf. So our leaf is made out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 initially. Skip 1, go back 1, add 3 and go back through the first one. Why have I explained to you like the connection 1, the length of the leaf, the tip of the leaf, then length of the leaf? Because you can make it longer if you want. So instead of 3 seed beads for the round leaf, you can go with 4, 5, really up to you. With this you have the principle, and you are not stuck to this length of the leaf as I decided to go here. Now we go back through these 3 seed beads of the stem, and we also go back through the first seed bead from the base where we have anchored our stem, our leaf. So this was done. So this is 1, 2, 3. Here on the middle one we have the right bead, the left bead. we have built up this on the right bead. Now we move the thread to the equivalent bead on the left, and move 3 beads up on this left stack, like this. And now we are going to build the next leaf. So 3 for the stem, then 1 for the connection, 3 for the size of the leaf, 2 for the tip. Skip 1, go back down the next one for the tip of the leaf. Now we add the length of the leaf, in our case 3, and go back down the first one from the color of the leaf and the 3 from the stem. And then we also go back in the same direction as the thread that has been exited. Then we move the thread to the right. Okay. Up the bead, and then if we would have the third bead here, it would go back up the third, and we repeat the same sequence. The nice and unexpected thing is that because we go back out and then we go back in the bead in the base using the same direction and not making a loop around the bead, the leaves will kind of take the direction of the beads. That's why they will just set themselves in opposite directions. We don't have to do anything. It's just a natural happening, let's say, from the way the design flows. I really loved it, really loved it. Now obviously you can decide to make the leaves in different colors, and you just go as you please. So this is the base of our design. So start with the 3 herringbone sets, and then on the middle one you create every 3 beads, 1 leaf on the right bead, 1 leaf on the left, and they will cross over and will give you this beautiful, beautiful, absolutely love this design. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this absolutely lovely what I call autumn bracelet. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and see you with our next tutorial. Ciao, ciao!